Thank you for stopping by Big City Luxury. Today we're going to do a knife unboxing from Boker. This is from their Arbolito series. What we have in front of us now is model number 02BA372. This is the Péter Farkas Nomad from the Hungarian designer Péter Farkas. Comes in this beautiful leather sheath. Belt loop, in my opinion, is probably slightly too small. That shouldn't detract from the beautiful leather sheath that it does come in. Get a nice close-up of those two buttons. So as we pull this knife out, keep in mind that the knife is 7.5 inches total in length. The blade is 3 inches. Manufactured with steel N695. The handle itself is a Guayacan wood, also known as the brown ebony. Manufactured in Argentina. Let's rotate this knife a couple more times so you get a good sense of its beauty. That's pretty good weight. I'm going to guess around 6 ounces. It's beautiful jimping at the rear and at the front, both the top and on the bottom. It's just at the front and at the rear. So again, thanks for stopping by this quick knife unboxing from Boker. This is the Farkas Nomad.